One little tool that I learned about a few months ago that I think is so awesome is the new release calendar at titlewave.com. But under that series release calendar button, I can click on that and I can look at, maybe I'm looking at like that month. If I want to look at like January 2024 and I'm placing an order and I want to look at those series that are out. Or I can go forward and see what's coming, or even backwards to see what maybe even came out like a year ago and see if I missed any of those series that I want to make sure are complete. And then under the complete your series, this is another really cool little tool, and it will let you see and complete like your popular series, but also you can catch up on those, maybe those books that are recent releases. And even, like I said, plan ahead and get ahead of things that are coming out. Another thing that is helpful when you are looking for books are the resources they have within your state. Over on the side, you'll see that you can browse like by the topic. And so that is a very helpful thing to be able to do too.